Okay, so here you see my Takahashi CN212 on top of the Takahashi EM200 mount. And then what you see below there is an 8-inch riser on top of the Burley-Bach, what is this one? They're large, basically wooden tripod. And the problem I was having was being able to get the views over the top of my observatory. My observatory I have a little taller. I'm a little bit tall, and I wanted to provide a little bit more protection from wind. Being here in the Southwest, you get some wind. So what that meant is I was going to either have to get a different type of tripod here that could adjust to a higher level, or I was going to have to put a riser on there to get that extra, in this case, 8 inches. Now, if you look around a lot, you're not going to find, or I should say I was not able to find, any risers made by Takahashi for their tripods and mounts, other than maybe somewhere to some old ones, but couldn't find any actually, available. So what happened in all my searching is I came across the information that the Skywatcher mounts, especially EQ6, is actually a knockoff of the Takahashi EM200. So being that that was a direct knockoff of this mount, I started looking to see if I could find a riser made by them for their EQ6 mount that I could then use for the Takahashi, since it should match up. What I found out is that it does come close. It doesn't match up just right, but it is very easy to do the work on it to make it fit right up for both the EM200 mount and on top of a top plate on a Burley-Bach that has the top plate for the EM200. And as you'll see here too, I'm going to go over the color and everything else because I was able to, it's not a perfect match for the color, but it is very close. And in this tutorial, we'll go through everything, the complete process, parts that are needed, tools, everything else to end up with what you see there. Let me try and get this. Shadows are kind of blocking that right now. But what you'll end up in the end is that, a riser that can bring your scope up 8 inches. Whether that would work for observatory or out in the field, whichever, but it does give you more height if you're a tall person. Gives you a better place, better height for you to look through the scope. It is not adjustable though. It's just going to be straight up 8 and 8 inches to your setup there. But in the end, for the situations where you need that extra, this is going to be the way to do it.